Areas. Today I'm gonna show you how to trade, but we're gonna take things step by step. So, what you can see on my screen is this is my strategy. I use the MACD at default settings. You can see here default settings, and then I use the moving average periods 14 and 8, and they're both at EMA exponential moving average. And you just want to adjust the colors to moving averages so you know when the crossover is happening. But I don't take trades, random trades based on my indicator signals. What I do here is I draw support and resistance, and usually when you see support and resistance, you see people draw lines like this. Lines is fine, lines is okay if you're looking to be a breakout trader, that's alright, but in my case, I like to use areas, box areas. So I use the rectangle tool, and you can shape it like this. You can move it side to side, up and down, and this gives your trades a little bit more focus on where price is gonna go. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how to draw today. I'm gonna show you how to draw support and resistance and how to find them. So right now my chart is on the 5 second chart. If you want to be profitable, you must always look at the higher time frames. So I'm looking to trade 1 minute per trade, right, and get my profits. So I would need to either look at the 3 minute or 5 minute, or sometimes if the picture is not clear, I'll go to the 10 or 15 or 30 or even higher one day, just to see where the trend is going. So let's go to the 3 minute, and here we are. So what you want to do is you see a downtrend, and there's no way you can make any trade analysis on this. So you have to look left, slide your phone to the left, and this is where you start to see levels. Okay, and right now I can see a level right here. I'm just gonna draw it out for you right here, right? So when you want to take a level, you can see I drew this level right here. I'm gonna put it at the lows. I'm gonna put it at the very low of the wick, and I'm gonna put it at the very high of the green candle. Okay, because the green candle shows where the price has reversed, and since that reversal, if you look to the right, you can see that there have been multiple rejections here, here, and here. So this is where the market paid attention a lot, and these are the price levels that you want to target. Okay, and we just expand our level like this. So what you want to do is you want to wait for the market, you wait for the price, right, the candles to come back to this level. You come back to this level, and then you see what price is going to do, and you don't take any trades until you see what price is telling you what to do, like showing you a double top or a lower high. Then you'll be able to take that short trade or a sell trade or a downwards trade. But for today, I'll show you how to draw these levels. Okay, so that's one example. Let's go to a different market so I can show you. Alright, and now here we are. Okay, you can see I drew previous levels in the past, but let me just delete that. We're on the 3 minute chart again, and we only see an uptrend, right? If we look left, there's still nothing we can use. So we go to a higher time frame, 5 minute, and if this is not enough, yeah, this is not enough. So I'm gonna go to a higher time frame, 10 minute, and this is not enough, right? Right? Oh, we can see a level right there, but that's too far away to draw. So let's go to the 15 minute. How about that? Still too far. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the 1 hour. Oh, now, okay. Here we go. Now we can draw our level. And we're gonna go back to the rectangle tool. Now we're gonna draw resistance, right? So you can see this consolidation, right? I just put them at the highs of the consolidation and the maximum lows of this price consolidation. And I like to use consolidations. Here, now you see prices at the consolidation level, right? Once you have this, price came down and went back up. So now we're inside this rectangle tool, and now I said I wanted to trade 1 minute, so I'm gonna go to the 1 minute time frame, and this is where I look for price movement and what the price is doing. So right now you can see a bullish engulfing candle happening, and this is a strong uptrend, right? And right now you can see that this trend is actually a mature trend, and that in the past the trend started here, or started here, or so, oh, right here. It started right at this point, and it's very weak because you can see the gap space between this high and this high, and you can see another gap between this high and this high. And then as the market progresses, it becomes a mature trend. And mature trends, you do not want to trade in the direction that it's going, because you never know when the price is about to reverse. And how to find those reversals is right here. You can see now the price candles, they were strong, but now you can see a wick, and you can also see the body's getting smaller and smaller, right? So once you spot some type of reaction here, you drop you wanna drop to a, okay, now you see a red candle forming. That shows you that price is decelerating and about to shift to the other side. So you go to the 5 second here, or you can even do 15 seconds if you want. Just any time frame lower than the 1 minute, that'll get you your entry signals. So right now you can see price is really decelerating, right? And for me, even if I see a bearish engulfing candle like what you're seeing now, that's not enough to take a trade. You can, but then you're gonna get stopped out, because what price does is a natural pullback, right? A pullback will happen to the price where they had the bearish engulfing. So what you can see now, price is going down, right? And you can look at my indicator MACD, it's signaling a downward signal. However, price is gonna go back and touch this red line that I drew. It's literally going to go back, and you can see the pullback happening now, right? So this is one example. I'm not gonna take any trades today. I'm just showing you how to draw support and resistance and what to look into it. Okay, so that's one example. I'll show you another example here. And here we go. Okay, so we go to our higher time frame once again, right? 5 minute, and oh, we can see a level that where price really paid attention, right here, right? Will be our support. This is my support area, and then my resistance, where would that be? I would draw them at the peaks right here. This is my resistance. So when price goes to a certain level, if it comes to my resistance, I want to be looking for buying trades or trades in the upward direction. And if it goes to my resistance area, I want to look for trades in the selling direction. The reason for that is that because every time a price goes to a new level, it has to drop down lower, like a natural pullback, before it can go higher. So that's why I want to do that. And with my 1 minute time frame trading strategy, it's able to capture those pullbacks. Okay, so now you can see what prices right here. An example, price is just breaking through. It's not paying attention to this support area, right? So we drop down to the 1 minute, see what price is doing, and yes, we see it breaking through the area. However, we draw a trend line, right? You can see how strong this was. Look at that. It's so vertical. But if I draw another trend line, you can see that the price is weakening. And sometimes this is often referred to as divergence. So you can see prices weakening, that's deceleration. And then we go down my 5 second time frame. What do I see? I see more deceleration. Now I have two factors. I got deceleration on the higher time frame, and I got deceleration on the lower time frame, right? And then what do I also see is that if I draw a line up here, I can see a peak and then a lower high just below that. And then now I see the bearish engulfing candle, and then also the crossing of the moving averages happen. Those will be my 4 confluence factors. Now this, I would say I'm able to take a trade, and if I look at my MACD, it's showing red. And right now I just take a trade in a downwards direction because I'm very confident, according to my analysis and the indicator signal that confirmed it, that the price is going to move down to the trend line, right? Because there are buyers waiting at that level, and there's no buyers in the price when price is high. So in order for buyers to move the market, it needs to come back to the trend line, because that's where the price is very cheap and affordable. So you just wait here. Not everything is 100%, but this is just according to my analysis. Maybe I was too late if I didn't win, and that happens a lot in trading, especially on my daily regular days. But now look at this. Just look at that. It really went down to the trend line, just as I said. That's my first trade. One. Yeah. I'm gonna cut this video short because it's too long. So I'll make another video for you another day, maybe tomorrow. But for now, that's how you trade. That's how I trade. And if you don't understand it, it's fine. Just take notes. You don't have to understand anything right now. I'm gonna be sending a lot of videos like this daily, or every other day, every time that I have time. All right. So just study and take notes.